Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
All right, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode, excuse me, of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something from Myojo. This is a stir-fried noodle. It's what do you call it? It's a sweet and spicy habanero flavor. I think it's a habanero mango, and they just sent me this. Thank you very much. And you cook it in the microwave. So the deal is, first you drop in the vegetables. Those go on the bottom. And then the noodle goes in. Yes. It is weird outside, folks. The weather outside right now is just weird. It doesn't know if it wants to be sunny. I think it will end up deciding to be sunny today. I kind of like it when it's a little cloudy and kind of not muggy. Yeah. Doesn't want to come out of here. Come on, you. There we go. So you put the vegetable sachet content down first, then you put the noodle on top of that, and then you need 30 milliliters of water. Each tablespoon is 15. So I have some water here I'm going to employ. There's one, two, I'm going to just give it a dash more. And then we add in the spicy. Upend it into there. Yeah. I will be doing a mukbang of this, so you won't see me eat it. You're just going to see me prepare it in this episode. Let me see. Did I get everything all right? I think I did. Yeah. Microwave uncovered for 2.5 minutes. All right. We have it uncovered. And we're going to do it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So... all right, and there we go. We are doing it. Hopefully you're having an enjoyable day. I went and tried to shoot some video down by the water, and I mean I shot video. I was able to do it. I don't know how good it came out, but that'll either be at the beginning of this video or at the end. So you will see. And still getting over the cold and stuff that we had. I don't know, it's like the kids are back in school, so it's just revolving sick. It just never ends. Once they go back to school, that's kind of that. But what else did I do today? I sliced all of this. Narutomaki, it's fish cake, and I've got a little, like a guillotine slicer, and yeah, I sliced it all. I ended up getting 36 pieces plus the ends, which I enjoyed as meal item, snack, as it were. And yeah, Myojo just sent a whole bunch of neat stuff, and I did an unboxing. You'll be able to see it. You'll start seeing them coming out really quick. But yeah, it's what, January? It's mid-January for you. So I have no idea what's going on in your universe. We haven't even really, I mean, we're seeing Halloween stuff at Costco and at the stores. It's September 26th right now in my temporal universe. But yeah, I don't know. You guys are way past the election. That's kind of the main thing that's going on right now. That and stuff with Israel, Hezbollah, Israel, Lebanon, Gaza, that's going on. I'm guessing that is still going on in your timeline. Let's see. All right, that's ready. This is ready. Ooh, that's hot. And it does smell habanero-y. Okay. So come and look. You want to see? Sure you do. That's what you're here for, right? So here it is. Like I said, I'm not going to eat it in this episode. You'll have to watch the mukbang, which if you just go in my channel on YouTube and type in, or if you're looking at the post for when this is published, then it'll be alongside that. So don't worry. Okay? It's gonna be alright. Okay? Alright, good? Okay. I'm like starving. So that happens. When I do mukbangs, it's usually I was like, I'm really hungry. Now I'm gonna eat something that's like really hot. Okay. Okay. Whoops. No. There. So let's start here. That's pretty good. So we'll start with the noodle. Tease out the noodles a little bit. Tease. And then I fried an egg. Oh, I hope this egg didn't get stuck. That is something I just can't handle. It looks to be done nicely though. Come on, egg. Nope, not stuck. I was thinking some chashu, yeah, but then I thought, nah. Oh. Ouch. And then I got some spring onion. I really can't wait till they start letting the spring onion that I get at the store like grow a little more before they put it out. It's like the spring onion, green onion, scallion. Just seems a little like it's not time yet. And some sesame seed. Yeah, I saw, what was it? New York Post. That's right. New York Post did this article about ramen and saying how it's just so amazing. You've got all these Generation Z people eating ramen, and it's just amazing. This was the best. Using next level ingredients such as spring onion. It's like, really? That's next level? I don't get that at all. It's a standard staple. That's like saying putting salt and pepper on like chicken and baking it is like next level. I don't know. They write it. All right, well, it's cooked. And like I said, I'm starving, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take pictures of this, and then I'm going to do a mukbang, so you'll be able to see that. Check my channel for said Myojo. Just type in Myojo Habanero Stir Fry. That probably should do it in my channel. And it'll come up with this video, and you know. Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.